day 17 of Helene recovery in the Green River Cove. Today, I'm hoping to take a step back, relax some. Hopefully, going to catch up with a lot of people here. I don't know how long I can sit still. I'm saying I'll be here till 10 a.m. I'll probably be here a bit longer. I am going to need a ride to a laundromat with some of my base layers and some other important things that a friend of mine's been trying to wash. I think she's washed them 4 times. They still stink. I do know a few tricks. I'm a smelly river guy, and I know how to get river funk out. You see all my debris of what little bit I've been able to recover from my house and from my cargo container. Really do appreciate all the wonderful help I've gotten. Huge shout out to the Mill Spring community. You guys really rallied and showed me a lot of love. I love you locals. Thank you so much, and I appreciate everybody else who came from further away. Today, I really am going to try to do a little self-help, self-healing. I think I've reached the peak of my stress, and now it's starting to wane. It's still a little high, but it's getting better. The only thing that I need now is cash. I need money to rebuild, and I can use cash to get things I need. Most things I need are technical. I'm really not one for material possessions. I don't want a lot of stuff. It really causes me stress. I just want just enough pairs of pants, just enough base layers, and I recovered some of mine, so I'm pretty close on that. What I really need is some funds via Venmo, PayPal, GoFundMe, whichever way you'd like to share. I'm not begging, but I really could use a leg up or a hand up. I'd appreciate it drastically. I will try to post more as time goes on, but this is your morning update. Green River Cove, we're making it. It looks like power might be restored in the next couple of days. The linemen are really at it. I've never seen this many linemen in the Green River Cove, but they're completely having to rebuild almost all of the poles and lines brand new. They've even rerouted some of them, so there's a lot work getting done. Don't come in here for tourism. If you're not here directly to help, aid someone personally, do something like that, don't come in here. If we see kids in your car, we know you don't belong. Don't do it. Don't get in the way. You're delaying our recovery. We don't need tourists. We don't need people in the way to linemen or DOT trying to restore our roads. The road is not restored well enough to get my car out. Please don't delay the recovery. Don't come looking and being a tourist into Green River Cove now.